Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this protein shake blender from SILVERCREST, kitchen tool category, 450 ml, included batteries, 3 years warranty, quickly blends at the push of a button. Leak-proof lid with a sealable drinking spout, markings for easy measuring for 100 ml to 450 ml, easy to use for creamy powder shakes at your home, sports, or on the go, to your gym, wherever, whenever you're exercising yourself. Easy to clean under dishwasher, very safe. Nice all of that, and let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out and the manual and the batteries. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. And there is the shaker. Nice. Quite durable, I can say, feels very good to my hand. Not any cheap material. Of course, all that it is a plastic. Carry on from here. We can see we've got a rubber seal, prevent any leaks from inside. It will keep your precious protein inside. Unscrew, and of course in here we've got rubber around, prevent any leaks. Very nice and easy to seal it with a push of a button. Rubberized base is not going to move when it's shaking. Nice. And you can see the measurements here. You can unlock it. Here is the motor. Now the batteries are going here. Take this rubber out. And lock it again. And push it. And we can see it is working. Nice. And we can just push it and stop and start. Maybe you want to blend better. Nice all that. Time to find a protein and to make some protein to drink. Now here is the protein shaker. I will put 250 ml of water. Of course you need to follow the instruction of your own protein brand, and then you can put the amount of water you need or milk. It depends the protein that you have. And here we are okay. This is for 1 serving. Lock it and press. You can put cold water from the fridge. Follow the instruction of your protein, how long you need to shake it. Of course, if you need, you can put less water, not exactly the amount that says the protein to the instruction. And I think we're okay. Let's try it. Ooh, it's very tasty. I like it. It is a bourbon vanilla favorite. Yep, I like it. It's very tasty. And of course, if you need, you can put some ice, 1-2 ice cubes, and then it will be more cold. Shake it more at the time you need. Take it with you at the gym, and at the right time you need to drink it, just drink it. At your gym, outside, when you're exercising yourself, and wherever you want. It is your choice. Very portable, very nice, easy to clean it, cost only 10 euros, very low price, and with batteries. You can replace the batteries, or you can use rechargeable batteries, why not? Make some good to the environment, recharge them again, and use them. Nice, I like it. He's doing a very good job. Thumbs up. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope this video it was very informative for you. And if you like it, well, just buy it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye, stay safe, exercise yourself and use these products very wisely.